Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for stopping by. Today I'm going to show you how to make Guyanese style butter flaps with cheese using a few simple ingredients. Here I have some all-purpose flour, melted butter, some whole milk. I'll be using some sugar, yeast, softened butter, and some sharp cheddar cheese. First things first, I like to add my sugar to the milk as well as my yeast. I'm using fast rise active yeast. It's already active, but I still like to add it to the liquids and mix everything to combine. As you see me added my butter there. Now we will add all the wet ingredients to the dry ingredient and we will mix until we form a nice soft dough. Once the dough is formed, I like to oil my hands as well as my surface, lay the dough onto the surface and then knead it for a few minutes until it's nice and smooth. Once it's smooth, I place it into my mixing bowl cover and allow it to rise or double in size for about an hour or so. Now let's prepare the butter mixture. To the softened butter, I'm adding some sharp cheddar. We will mix this to combine and then I like to go in with my hand blender and just, blend everything. Now if you want, you can grate the cheese a little more fine, like when you're making cheese spread to make cheese spread sandwich, you can do it that way. But you know me, I just like to use my hand blender to make things easier. And yeah, once it's blended and it's smooth, you want to set that to the side until we are ready for it later. Now that our dough has doubled in size, we'll go ahead and just release the air from inside of the dough. Then we'll remove it from the mixing bowl. I like to grease my hands again with some oil and grease my surface because I find this to be an easier way to handle the dough without it being sticky and stuff like that. And if you add flour, then you run the risk of the dough getting hard and changing texture, and I don't like that. So we will go ahead and just separate the dough into equal parts, and I got about 6 from this amount of flour I had, but you can surely double the amounts to get more if you wish. Once we separate them, roll them up into some smooth little dough balls, and then I will show you the next step. So now you want to go ahead and roll the dough balls out into a flat disc. You can make them as big or as small as you like, but don't make them too small because they will become super fluffy and puffy inside of the oven. So once we roll them out, you want to go ahead and place some of that cheese and butter mixture right in the middle. I know you'll be tempted to add like a whole lot, but don't do that. It will all run out inside of the oven when it bakes. So you just want to put a little bit in the middle there, and you want to carry on with these same steps until you're all done. Now you want to allow these to rise for about 30 minutes before we place them in the oven. So you want to just cover them with a kitchen towel And yeah, after about 30 minutes, we will place them in a 350-degree oven for about 25 to 30 minutes, or at least until you see they look nice and golden brown over top. Once they come out of the oven, I like to go over them with some softened butter, just brushing the top. And yeah, this is it, guys. You know me, I like to remove them from the pan and just place them on a wire rack so they can cool nicely. And once they are cooled, I will show you guys what they look like on the inside. And that's it, folks. We've come to the end of Guyanese style butter flap with cheese. I believe Jamaicans call this cocoa bread, but yeah, this is my version, and I hope you all give it a try. It was so soft, fluffy, buttery, and airy, guys. When you try this, it will be your family's favorite, trust me. I can't wait for you all to give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget, give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients down in the description box, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, mwah, enjoy.